The most na ground zero. The most na ground zero. So, fellow Ambazonians, if you come, you share. If you come, you share. So that we share it where it take place. We don't see for Facebook if some people never be opportune for get the information, but we don't see for Facebook how Mbandam, Honorable Mbandam, Joseph Mbandam, I will even move that name Honorable because it need to represent no people. Yeah, Mbandam need to represent no people. So that name Honorable now for you and your family. So we don't hear the audio where Mbandam send for Mangwa Irene, and where they exchange what them is send them Mangwa to send his own. So we will elaborate on the audios for see if Mbandam you don't go to that extent for threatening people. So we will elaborate then now we'll send you a message. We'll send you a message like Ambazonians. We'll send Mbandam a message. And then we're going to talk about the ADF. We don't see even today. I thank God. I be talking to my show say, we pray for Kurigwe. We pray. Say me God arrest these people ADF. Me God arrest them. Me God touch them. Even a covenant they don't sign them. Me God arrest them. Me God destroy the covenant. I did God hear our prayers. God is tribal. God will hear our prayers because we say the revolution. Now God ordained the revolution. We don't see how we declare. God will hear our prayers by exposing our enemies. We're going to talk on that one because we see how even the blessing where it comes from the hierarchy. Because our noble, our culture, the highest people will respect them for our community, our fund. We see how the fund it will be very overwhelmed. Be overjoyed. Now he gave a bless the restoration forces. And then they say he give his support. And the blessing in that way we take them from the ground. Now the blessing that from the ground. Don't forget this one and the blessing that so we get to see what happen for Batibo and how we get for support. Because we don't talk say this ADF propaganda for Facebook. We give an end. Because I don't want to talk say now me and you we don't want unity for this revolution because if we stop with some follow groups, we stop with some follow individuals, we will say unity must come by force. So we will elaborate on that one. Then we talk how our fellow comrades, they call themselves activists. They don't go on their site even for talk about what will happen for ground zero between La Republique and the restoration forces, La Republique against our civilians. They don't skip that one. They talk now between Sako and this. Sako and this. I don't tell when I say that Sako stuff in the end of Facebook. That Sako, Chris Anu, this. In the end for Facebook. If you get 1,000 views, 2,000 views, that one, if you not say you get, if you not say that Facebook the control, you there views them, 2,000 views, where you get them, they carry we. We need our money for the revolution. And when money come, money to talk. Use your views them. Raise the money, tell you go boya. Not sure every day you say be the best, you be this generally for Facebook, you be this. But where your strategy where they bring them, no money this year. Every day, one day, every day you come and sabotage. You don't make a don't mean a song. Some people they follow you, they don't know what to they come cut up. Immediately you just say the can't live show, we don't even know your topic. Yeah, it's that way. Some people they watch Nigeria film. Immediately you just see poster. If you don't know how the film go end. Yes, that's what some people don't only take up for the activists where they claim say they over there because it immediately come. I told you for EPOM. Immediately they come for Facebook, announce a show. We don't even know a chapter. Other Christian know his name no day today. Dr. Sako his name go day today. So we will elaborate on that one and some activists where they don't take upon themselves for interpret. I don't know if you don't go too far for the way we want destroy the revolution because Mbanda not send an audio. That audio, Lucas, this one Lucas man from Canada way the Ayabacho Iman. He no be Batibo son. But now they cause a higher havoc for Batibo with ADF. They don't send audio. He no be interpret that audio. He no be interpret what you Mbanda talk. Mbanda talk that tongue about continue talk. Mbanda send that audio now for continue talk. He want try with it or continue talk, but he now Lucas he don't take another interpret them. For interpreter will suit the own way. We say Mbanda be use ADF, SDF for bribe Dr. Sako. We go play that audio, or we will listen them, then we elaborate because I go interpret the audio very well. I go interpret the audio from Bandam. And then Mangwai onto we will play them, we will listen them very well. You now judge for yourself if truly these people they have the revolution or not, because irrespective of the side belief you belong, but when we see a positive move where you do have the revolution, we're going to hail you for that positive move. Irrespective of the fact that we get differences. But no go take an audio where you not even relate to it where he did. Because you don't like the IG. Because you will not raise money for key fighters and for down. You will take that audio now for capitalize, for interpret that wrongly to people. Wrongly to people. My fellow comrades, we will go for that one. Then we'll talk what way Ambazonia them. We the population of Ambazonia will get to know. What way we get to know. I want to tell you something. We the population of Ambazonia, now we will hold this revolution, especially the youth. Yes, I took that one clean and clear, especially the youth. Now the youth they hold the revolution. Because if we leave the revolution, say me this old people them, they control them. We will not be involved inside. I tell you now, it go delay. If we try for move the youth them for move their hand for this revolution, I mean the youth them, if we try for move our hand, leave about these old people them, my brothers and sisters, we will regret. And we will regret a generation upon generation upon generation upon generation upon generation, they will regret. So what I think I say, now me and you, now we will hold this revolution. The people that they fight for down, any you that they watch me now, people that they fight for down, now my brothers like me and you are age made them. If you call the boy in a high, it is a boy like this. That no man no days for ground zero way, who go away, it there from 70 years or 65 years. Now between 21 to 35, 21 to 35, that range, now them whole material for ground zero. So we're going to talk on that one because it's high time we the youth will not say this fight now for we. This fight not be for all people. Now high time we the youth will go to mobilize ourselves. We not say this fight. If we are brothers them for ground zero, they fight when a youth. Me and you for diaspora will be youth. We go to start think. We go to start think because when I see the diaspora, people they want to take share. Now people they already old when retirement age for Africa is 60 years. Retirement age for Africa is 60 years. But when I look at very well, people they want to control, they want to take other seat. They want they above 60 years. For say we, they above 60 years. So we're going to be very careful for that one. We're going to touch that one. Okay, fellow Ambazonians. Now, I will try to elaborate first. Then before I play the audio for Mbanda and Mangwa. Then before we go to the ADF proper. When I don't see Facebook now, you will never see them. If we play, if we show a video, now see what will happen for Krugwe village. Where they use them, they don't hook up again. They say they don't want catch ADF. And the worst of all, I say, this youth then go for play where they be buried General Biebie, Tiger them, all them. They cry. You see how they lament for that. They see how they be, the place where they be buried their colleague them. Where they be buried. No say Biebie they be buried alive. I will tell them that Biebie, they be catch Biebie, they bury Biebie alive. If I'm be buried Biebie alive. So we'll go on that one. So move, try to play the audio, and then I interpret them because that audio, I don't be able to play them, but some person tell me say, "Ma play them," so that I will interpret them for people because Facebook they so they misinterpretation. I see.
I don't really care.
Merci the video audio. Merci. Now just be patient, man. Try to play the audio.
So much when you will you reply, can we?
Okay.
The only answer I'm in the
Okay, now please.
We Matthias, Dr. Matthias Ngwa. Boga Awoya, as fat as you are idiotic.
Okay, that one I feel understand that one. Yeah.
But me I know was they will live to regret. Well, as I'm feeling and
okay, it talk with the place, say it talk with Mangwa na Mbanda it talk so. Say people there they be take Mangwa put up with the place. They will live to regret. Yeah, so yeah, we go.
Video movie, Chris Anobo. Tato young why? A one name. In better one my great good so we
He say this video where Chris Anu and the other they be put up. Say Mangwa na fool. Say Mangwa na fool. He say he be picky way be pick am for gutter clean it shine. That's what Mbanda be talk for this audio. He say Mangwa na picky way be pick for gutter clean it shine. We'll continue.
When I have in law Matthias Ngwa and
Give for in law Matthias Ngwa in marital.
No such a torsion. So you have never
who come now to make noise? He say he be picky for gutter clean it shine. They give away in law marital. Then a Mangwa na come on make noise.
On the bed in a school.
Say Mangwa never ever she don't go a bed for a school.
They can raya come to Amuye. Kira say when we were traffic will beyond your roof.
He say Mangwa the work and pray God. Me no say that God no fit go beyond the roof. So
fumble up and down. Maka na kara den be garama na ka. Atu gambe bonga bezoui disons. I'm not a douce for the card.
Okay. Una hear that play for money now. Una hear that play for money now. He said if he begin money, Mangwa not supposed to tell his boy they say me take that money buy gun. Now so he said if he be say he begin money, Mangwa not be supposed for take that money or tell his boys them. Me they take that money buy gun so that they will fight. And then Mangwa, he work and he make noise. He work and he confuse. Who listening?
But I know man as what I'm our commando. We fear a condo okay. If you know Burman and second Joseph down Joseph, look at what can. Look at one name as tall as an idiot.
Now listen yeah.
I can be one between Mokonia. I mean, Bama, much because my bed job.
He said, Mangwa, the talk this so because when they used to talk, it be quiet. The fish say, you no get mop for talk. Now, Manga, me talk.
I'm going to
say, Manga, na big fool. Like he.
I should not about so but to cook now. Not set down $1 million. No, not we can convert my dollars into CFA. Je me bats check all. What can I be quoi?
It's a Manga not convert millions CFA to dollars. Say Manga no crazy. Say na crazy woman. Say fool, because again, so talk they talk say fool na to one.
Say I will beg. Aga wa mo bigwi. Gado ga mo. It's just kerega. Ka ukmu aka ku na be ne ka so de karangu.
It's yeah, now you play the proud now. He say Mangwa no be supposed to call his name because if he that name for Mugamu, Mangwa no supposed to call her the way he call him. He say he carry skin, yeah.
Mama ne chimo finish chimo jumbo word. Chimo but curse. Chimo Mugamu to curse away. Don't be in and just be carry. Would you never say? He say
for here. He say he na marry the coach man and he need the curse man because if he open him up curse Mangwa. Let what your Mangwa will get him. You know ever see him.
Gaya museum ngangu.
Say play with Mangwa day. Now he put Mangwa for that play with
I want to be able to know what you want.
He say why Mangwa the talk? He must need the talk. Yeah.
Well, for him only for Krakow.
He say Mangwa na woman way don't over strong. Say over strong over because say the talk. He must need talk. That mean say when you talk for us, you must need talk. That mean say you don't carry yourself. They say you over there. Yeah. One talk to that
Use the one about message one should measure I will get a corner why him or I will money for big Bemoga day they go to.
He say me play this audio. Say na outside me for a year. Me Mangwa year say if be let's say he over there. Say he be person wey over carry Mogamo. Put up a head. So, okay, now we'll play Mangwa own. I want to meet this ADF. I mean, this Kabai, where they don't use the audio now. This audio now for say, Mbandam, he work through ADF, I mean SDF, for bribe Dr. Sarkozy, he work with La Republic. Now watch Lucas, when I look at you, this guy where he get more, he must do like, when I get a module, they kind of go outside. Now wait till I talk about a show today. So I want play and not interpret them because you never know where to wear the contest for the audio. But inside you don't get a part. You just say ADF, SDF, Mandam, the work with the Maaring. When Mandam is a coach, Maaring, Mandam, now yeah, Mandam the coach, Maaring, say Maaring a fool, now near. So you don't use another different way. We play manga own.
And me, I'm just say.
We banda wono kachan mugamu ko one kacha ko minga matona indi amwe ko amwe minga matona krendige cha goya tami nga shamane bomba bon fete ganiga bikagamba wo chingaje awo tami kanwa chuga ba jinjang banya kirja mafagano etimba fagamba je wo chebi rungu krendi cha ya nga chuga no je mwe ko ga mugombo shama wo free.
Okay, now Mangwa the top of this place. He say Mbandam Njang na Mbandam he name. He say even Mbandam he talk about God. If he be say Mbandam he so say Mbandam. He no be stand in front of Mogamo people. When this revolution be start, he gather people they come with a door. He say he Mbandam. He no day again. Since when the people don't decide say me he no go and they know he. They know he say when him Mbandam don't talk, he don't talk. If he be say Mbandam, no be talk, he talk. Me the God for Mogamo, leave Mbandam, me Mbandam go.
Dige changu ya ye tamu yanga changa muga ekuti babara ne chenye fe wi chambu ko chimpo ni munga chan bojim fo chinga nap krende chaya rakunuwe mweko babu lo mu prayer wo gwemot krende changu tamu ga agu TV mbajimba gaga chi kani jugo dami ambazoni akende chabo ga kunuwe braga na ngangwe chok ga kunuwe no ya chi no kuna ma yeso awo yire mika mewo me say bombe jimena ngati jibabe ye tambawa ga embebo ondabo ochimbe ngati
yeah, it for you say if Mbandam, this Mbandam when he talk so if he not be open him up because Mbandam never ever open him up say he deny Ambazonia. But if he not be open him up say he deal with Ambazonia. Me the God to heaven, me not always trying Mbandam you one. Me strike even the people the way that they chop two sides. It me strike even the people they chop two sides.
Ben obabu yeso awon wiro me say. Ye barane ne Joseph Banda makara we ne Joseph Banda wora me for lots of respect. Big no title amukum yam bere amikum amabegien. Yes, Banda chima ku ibara primary school. Ba kenangu kaba jina nyengu ani bebe bere we o. Any for aching for bere we che woni for kere aching.
Yeah, it of we say as Banda be claim say you never see primary school. You never see say yes. You accept you never go primary school, but me no say people they don't no go school. They get sense. Pass people they go school and it prove about the revolution with the Siam. In a all man where go school. If you make them. Yeah, so it say you never go school, but it get sense. Yes. Because even Banda begin you will go school, who say for himself. So nothing that way it talk. So even Banda no say yeah, you no go to school, yes, it green. But you way you no go school, it get sense pass you Banda for that place. So I want to tell you what me
I'm going to ni kire ngo ayako angoro no ya chigine awanga mbata chenga yen munga koro yi ana no ye ana do cap.
Okay. It's a home bandam lawyer for that dignity where it gets sense. Who say they na in the work and he behave a fool. He run and go for court for Awi, court for Batibo. Because of what? Because of net grit of money. Now when I listen because me ADM they no can talk say because they look at you show when they don't get talk or can't talk. When they don't get talk or can't talk, they use people they are audio them. They frame talk. Yes. Look at you. I do one for you. Now you make I play the audio because you don't talk say Mbanda don't send audio way and they show say they give money through SDF for Dr. Sako. So I want to now the query that into the query.
I want to for kin chirpon in Yagamo. Tigana te tuwa chirikani bara bivondo. Chirikani chumbula republic akase by force. And on Ninkaba Nimya in Iboga, I can be shooting in no Kukumega. Bobiga Kama.
It's a Mbandam. It don't go take money for the republic. Blood money. Don't say you want to bribe our boys them. Blood money na the one for waiting.
Chana me Chakuba, Akamoko, but they walk away.
It's a they drive Banda to take over for Kruba. Kruba na for Bali. That means say would have get the message way become over Batibo way the restoration force be attack the elected people them. So Banda be run for bush. He'll find himself for Bali. So yeah, Bali na Kruba. So now for them Banda find he say he be there, he no be there. So he no be there. Now blast ourselves so me ADF them me they pack fine. Now pack fine, I not get message. Now pack fine. Banda the coach Banda. They wanna use and say Banda be the sponsor Dr. Sako through SDF.
Ananga chunga mbata. Make only any ane. Eno ni rajima noshi. Aya mu wusi chaka fi drungu sangabe banda. Kamu kuna abumu jijigene jikumbumo.
So it's the message where Eric be seen for ye. Na true message. It's a Banda be think say go for that place. He go chop. He no will leave him. So the audio move try to end for this place. So that mean ADF the way they use propaganda. Yeah, so he belongs more. So na tina we mangwa ite Banda. When I listen Banda on audio we isenam. So na query that way them two the query. Yeah, this one now we're going to elaborate now on the audio way we don't listen now. I want to tell Bandam. Say this very Bandam. Where we see the small. Where because we just small where the year SDF for 1990. We see them a small jacka them. This very Bandam now be the only parliamentarian that will exist so Batibo can reach now. Sam, my fellow country people. If you not been a grit, you not been a langa. I know Bandam, it thing over worry me because I'm Bandam. Bandam don't be parliamentarian for donkey years. That means he never chop the correct. Bandam never chop. He never chop the chop. He want chop. You don't chop it correct. Now you can't chop and Banda want chop again. Now this 4 mandate. Now this 4 mandate when Banda because Banda na quarter 2. Now don't look he hurt very well na quarter 2. He did that range with Pop them. He did that range with Cavalier, Pobia, the Prime Mukete, this man, Minister of Senate, Head of Senate, all them, they fall within one pot soup. They fall within one pot soup because in health, at the president, the coronavirus, when the cash all over Italy leave the hand for the Republic, why not carry these people then? This coronavirus, don't say you don't carry for all people there. This all you do where the Kiwi, one innocent people at them. This all you do where not 1 million youth they grow. Coronavirus, why you need to allocate these people? You move them for game, move them for game, move them for game. Coronavirus, we think say you don't come, now say you want to move all people there for game. Me the youth they should get space. You in the Africa, the coronavirus, why you discriminate? This coronavirus, why is the coronavirus going to discriminate? Because these people are Bandam, Fundi, all they so they're supposed to come out of game, very good space. Because Bandam didn't have to disturb the struggle. Bandam didn't have to disturb the struggle because of the great with the family. Because you know they work for the interest of people of Batibo. Because if you stand, you say, you know what day you get with the election, you say you deal with the people, then you go back again with the CU, you come to Amoka. You think say you will give money for people them, me they do it, say you will give money. Why you not come plain? Why you come with the Amoka Bandam? Why you come with the Amoka? If you think say the people will Batibo, they are people you love them. Why do you work with Amoka? So you think say if you be work with that Amoka, they will see civilian, your past command may not shoot. That means say you work with Amoka and say when they reach your Batibo, anywhere they say about road, they move them. Then you can't do an election for 5 people with the delegation they bring them. They elect and they tell say you don't win. Then you come on, going for your own day now. You still say you save the people of Batibo. Bandam don't stay for cheer for long. Why you not use the opportunity? Because man what talk they say you not rule for long. You say you be honorable. Your voice alone for Batibo. That way population become your house. That population become your house, Bandam. You for look this population, so think about that population become your house. You talk the green. You talk the green. Why you not be like Weber? Why you not be like Weber? Weber not even serve you. Why you not be like Weber? Bandam. Why you not be too greedy so? Why you not be too greedy so? But they were vexed over the coronavirus. When you can remember for Europe. Because coronavirus don't come now, we can't move the all people level game. We can't move the all people level game. Why this keep Cameroon? Now they tell you coronavirus for tell we say it don't come for save our people. But you never finish coronavirus. It will attack una. One by one, coronavirus will attack una. So we don't use the blood money for Yaoundé for kill people. We don't use the blood money for suppress the people. We don't use the blood money for take away the stars of the youth. Because the youth them for ambassador and not get future. Yes, the youth them for ambassador and not get future because when we don't go for Yaoundé, they give another small blood money. They give another small micro project money. We can't have camouflage woman de quarter, camouflage remedy of quarter. The youth they need to go on site. They never again generation don't come on now say. We don't wise. Never again generation. Say we don't wise down again. They never again generation. And thanks to the elders, some elders the way they support the struggle. They never again generation don't wise say we don't wise down again. See, when you want place of game, the wise you don't never you. When you want place of game, the wise you. Don't tell your friends that man, that good man no wise. Move forget. Ambassador the only wise. They use the ambassador the only wise in a game. They no say no nothing no be come out good for una. Una be take no nothing good for una. Ambassador no be take they use the ambassador no be take nothing good. See, una know how many youth the way una don't frustrate them. This bandam in the name of SDF. You know how many you do you frustrate for Batibo? You know how many you do you band that you frustrate for Batibo? When people don't stand fight for Una, now on time they will fight for their own freedom. Then you want to use your belly and for your family for block the pathway, for block the way for people of Batibo. But now say you fall the wrong track. You don't ever know. You don't ever know say Batibo will rise against you one day. When they be talk, tell una someday, una politician them. Say this generation, some generation can be way, some generation can be way. It will tell una say enough is enough. Una not very agree. You the Russian. I know the period didn't say you the Russian because you don't really go to an exit. Batibo will never need you again. Yeah, you don't exile yourself. You don't exile yourself. We don't need you again. We don't need your service. So as a young boy Yaoundé, you succeed, you run. Because they will move for game. You as a succeed, you run. Remain for Yaoundé. Remain for Yaoundé. No come back again. Until you get the gut. If the coach Mangwa say, he be fool. He be anne. You don't do it. You will be barrister. See the way your own barrister they work. Now, not only you read law. Not only you, they will Cameroon be barrister. See what you are barrister Johnson, now barrister you. Instead the advocate for talk the truth to the people. Better say talk the truth die. And barrister Johnson never enjoy for like you. Because since the beginning of the parliamentary, you chop money. And you be vice of National House of Assembly. I never hear today. You knock table say enough is enough. Then the key people back home. Now when National House of Assembly will finish, Jonathan will interview you. Kita say the government of the Republic did this, the government of Cameroon did this. You don't knock table. We never see you knock table for the other barrister they knock table. We never see you knock table honorable Weber knock table. You then have agreed, you are unbeliever. Or deny, so no one election for Ambazonian. You want to use Amoka for come for Ambazonian land. You are Mangwa now be fool now. You are Mangwa now be fool. Thanks to Mangwa says they young. Thanks to they young. You now you will move again. Come back again. Come back with 3 Amoka. Come back with 5 Amoka. Go mobilize the Amoka they come. Say one can take election with Batibo until the court people say you know see the 4 walls of secondary school or primary school. So now the Cameroon that way una want because una you kill the poor. Because man when not go in school, you don't get voice for talk for Cameroon. Now why that way you get the guts for coaching all man for say you don't go school. Because you go school, then man when not go school, you don't get voice to talk. Una remain with the country where una the bilam. Yeah, the country was all kabay. The coronavirus is come for una. Coronavirus is come for una very with high speed. Coronavirus is come for una with high speed. Because the person don't go school, he don't get voice to talk. So some who there, we don't get voice to talk. Yes, but when that very people, when you go for village and then you work farm and they do all things, give una, they fit una belly them. You want to coordinate na who? You say people don't go to school, you want to coordinate na who? You want to coordinate na people that go to school? Now, okay, control your colleague than that. Oh, now no parliamentarian, I believe say, oh, now get at least advanced level, degree level, control them. Since the coach man no go school, you want to control people no go school. Control, now they combine that 180 members. It be enough for you for control them. It be enough for you from back that for control them. So, fellow comrades, we don't listen the audio where he come out from Bandam and Mangwa. Then we're going to stop this sabotage for ADF, where Ashu Lucas, they don't use another interpreter, you never know which side the district come out. See, what will the key ADF? ADF, the officer and they control Batibo. Yes, Amuto who's one for here, he tell me, say, he know the map of Batibo past me. I said, stay quiet. He never ever go. He said, the worst thing that me is at in the course of this discussion. He tell me, say, never ever go in Batibo. I said, there you know the map of Batibo past me. He said, yes. Now, ATM man, this Kavo Bruce, he said, he know the map of ADF. I say stay quiet. When I propaganda that when they come with Facebooker, fool people. Who they say know the map of Batibo? I start calling only 2 villages. I say who said they? You know we talk. So when I forget this way, ADF don't use General Ivo, and from now, ADF them all they show they don't know nothing. They don't know nothing as far as Batibo it be concerned. So move forget this propaganda stuff them. Okay, fellow comrades, the next point we're going to ADF for Batibo. When I don't see audio, video, they don't come out footage, video, they don't come out from the people of Krugwe village. See, when I don't see say the people that were Batibo, they don't rise. I want them to say, I be saying they pray for ADF. May God destroy the covenant away. ADF don't sign them for derailing this struggle, for destroying this struggle. And I thank God. I thank God say our pastor, I think our pastor Mba Victor now sure. Maybe have mass of prayer. Thank God I'm just there online too. Maybe have mass of prayer against ADF. When I don't say that today, when I don't see, when I don't tell my eye chop Christmas or when I see where they get our ADF that come today, where our boys they don't talk say okay, since I tap on Ivo, they say don't draw a red line for Batibo people the way they against ADF. Batibo people don't decide. So okay, ADF must kill the whole of Batibo, not only Batibo, the whole of Momo. The whole of Momo, it's of Momo County. ADF will wipe. When I take tap on Ivo, I have a show Lucas. Lucas, one of Lucas Ashu, Capo Daniel. When I tell you, say, they never kill the whole of Momo. See, me like wipe the whole of Momo, and then they know say ADF will get breathing space for inside Momo. ADF will get a breathing space. See, when I see where they see for that camp, because they won't find it today, they don't run. And when I hear that boy, they say, they want catch them. When they will say, oh, the kill. They want hold them, na hold them. They want hold them, na hold them. When I see, they go, when ADF, they don't get ambassador flag. ADF for that camp, they don't get ambassador flag. Where do they get a La Republic flag? Where do they get them? Now La Republic flag. They will see above condom the way they see of that place. When I see that one now, when the population, the cry say, ADF and they will rape girls for that area. Then they will cause atrocity. Then they go for behind. They see mass grave them. They see grave the way ADF don't bury fighters them. While boys they lament, they cry. They see General Biebie in grave. They see Tiger. They see the other man. They see fighters and brave fighters them. And the boys also say, that fighter the way ADF kill, I mean the rise again will fight. When I watch a video where fun, the form of Krugwe, it don't bless. When I see the blessing, where boys they take blessing, now the example that for fighters. But I want to say me to be very careful because that phone where he do that thing so La Republic will first start on that phone. That phone where he do that thing so me was restoration forces. They fight all way. And they talk about even the internet government. The internet government. We're going to fight all way for secure that phone is safety because where he do them and where he do on Facebook, where La Republic will see them, they will on that phone. Because that phone it bless the fighters. It bless the fighters. You see fighter they need that humble himself for take blessing. Now the culture that way, ambassador what now our culture that where you respect, you know say you're blessing in the camp for elderly people, you're blessing in the camp for my way pastor, you're blessing in the camp from the king. Now our culture that where if I go carry himself, where be Batibo Pikin, he go carry phone, he lock phone, You go carry phone, you lock phone. Then you think you want to take blessing for who? Ayabacha will give you blessing. So ADF, so Ayabacha dey for Norway. He will call you for phone, give you that blessing way phone the game. When I know say for revolution for our culture, when phone don't bless you, and when phone don't accept anything, the whole village accept. And that phone, he accept that restoration forces because they say they come and rescue the village. And they say all the activities go back normal, as normal. Me know nothing. Me no fear. All man be very happy, very satisfied. Now the restoration force in that way with the one time. Now they wait that way one time because Batibo don't suffer over. Batibo don't suffer over. Una remember say when this struggle will start, Batibo be at the first hit. Inside nothing's always start hit. It start hit very hard. ADF enter there, destabilize the system. But I don't tell you, I say, the cycle, it go back. It go back. The revolution, the way it go. I tell you the way the revolution it go. The revolution it go back as it start. The revolution it go back as it start. Don't forget this noise on Facebook. The revolution it go back as it start. And when it go back, when it complete the cycle. Because the cycle is still rotate. When you complete the cycle, go back as it start the whole end. Like probably the big ball run now. When the revolution it rotates, it will go back as it start. Now know when the revolution be start now. When they announce protests, na 1,000. When they come on social media will raise money, na 1,000. It don't go, it rotate. Because all man they fight, we don't fight, so it won't be enough. It rotate small. You can't stand back as the revolution be start. Where one leader talk, where a leader talk, all man they accept. Then after the Republic, the people wanna run because the Republic don't use divide and rule over. And the last strategy they use them, now divide and rule for Ground Zero and for diaspora. So the divide and rule when they use them, automatically it fail the small, it never fail complete. It fail the small. It fail the small because now whatever I talking now me and you the end the show. Me and you, when we stop, we start give money, it end the show. Now when we go back to start where we start, that's the revolution we start where here when person come on Facebook talk, leader can't talk, all man are one mob, then the Republic now just pick ball and run. So fellow comrades, now what is that way we see them for the Batibo people, where the youth of Batibo join with the restoration forces, they rally, they say enough, and they find the ADF, they don't run. So I want beg my fellow comrades for Momo in general, not only Batibo, Momo in general, say, we get be I watch, we get join forces, we tell this ADF and say, the population don't want them, me they leave. The population don't want them. Not be me and you for Facebook, no want them. Not be me and you for Facebook, no want them. Ground Zero, the Momo people no want them. Me they leave. Me they leave. So me and you for diaspora and join with the forces of Ground Zero. All the Momo, sons and daughters of Momo, will get what tell these people they say enough is enough. And join to with Manu County. Manu County too, the tax too they for una. Because una be the closest neighbor. Manu, Mezam. That the two closest neighbors in that way. The day for Momo. That the two closest neighbors in that for Momo. So all we going to join hands together for this initiative where our boys and Otika say these people don't disturb the population enough. And they don't want them because they will go now, they will go hide for Manu. When they will go hide for Manu now, they will get small base for Manu now. They will start grape-gazing for Manu. You go start here now, they will start destabilizing Manu now. All the commander they will go now for Bali, for Mezam. Commander from there now, you start here the atrocity. So we go to tell them say the population don't want them. If they want fight, integrate yourself with the LGAs. You fight. Why you want fight? Individual fight. And when you don't get money, as I don't get money, it must be must be bound for kidnap person take money. We not forget about this leader level. That's why they don't get money for sponsor revolution. Revolution no be biscuit. Revolution no be biscuit. Now why that way you see Akwanga no be fit? He no get command for Ground Zero. Revolution no be biscuit. You see how now they come all time now got crime. And Dr. Ayabacho they can cry money for social media every day. So when I give them money, when I give them money, they give them money they dirty. Revolution no be biscuit. So if we start to make their pocket dry, they will calm down themselves. So fellow comrades, I want to beg these people they were beg the Manu County and the Mezam County. So when I join Momo together for tell ADF say we don't want them. We don't want ADF. Our phone they don't tell them. Our phone don't tell them. It's our phone bless the fighters. I even think say some people never see the videos. Must see if I've even showed the videos more. I've even showed the video how they phone the bless the fighters. So that now if you take eye look for yourself. You see say they don't talk say they don't want ADF again. Let's see.
If that begin to be on a boat, begin to if they come,
now just be patient, man. See if I will get that footage. Okay. Now this. Mawe, listen. And they found this, and they found where they bless the fighters them. So now why they tell the internet government say they be very careful. They get to find way for security fund because when the Republic, it don't be for Facebook. Yes, it don't be for Facebook. So we will be very careful. Okay. So person want to send no video because I don't want to show the video because it don't go for Facebook because I'm married. Are they against video? Are they against video? So now ADF supposed to. I mean the internet government supposed now to do something very urgent. So the internet government they supposed to do something, and the Momo County in general we are supposed to do something very urgent for this fund where you don't do this thing because an example because they not plenty where they fit do they fit take this kind of gesture. We not fund the way they don't abandon their kingdom, their fundum, they run, they go for the Republic because of say because of their belly. If you don't want to stand with your people, so we'll get to protect it because the Republic they feel haunted. And then we'll get to talk the last two we'll talk about now this now EPOM self. So people say we talk about EPOM. EPOM he all show the way we don't gather them. Because I follow EPOM he show he talk about say newspaper need recognize Sako. I want to ask fellow ambassador and say if newspaper need recognize Sako, it talk about Akwanga according to it talk. Now because Sako did with the revolution. Dr. Sako did with the revolution. Akwanga say ceasefire. He accepts ceasefire. So a man say if not me, La Republique. And then some man I say me ceasefire. So another man deny me. I go promote now who? Automatically I go promote na person where to he accept my opinion. So me this EPOM they take our government for compare with La Republique, Dr. Akwanga. First, when he hear the voice of America for Washington, when they interview Chris Anu every day, if if they be interview now one of these frontline leader them. Sometimes Apple will not craze. Yes, Apple will not craze because very soon you can talk say Chris Ano don't bribe that the Voice of America. Yeah, very soon you can talk so say Chris Ano don't blast the internet government won't go bribe that small radio house because now it will put a small radio house for America. Dr. Ebenezer Akwanga no be government. So he get right for his opinion. He did how he the editor, the EPOM. Newspaper become over a name say he don't abuse Dr. Sako and the rest. Because of it, newspaper, the Guardian Post ever find a news will be beneficial. News will be benefit for the Republic. It wasn't me Guardian Post to say Dr. Sako, he don't deny ceasefire. You know, news Guardian Post talk that one. But go read the Horizon. Go read the Horizon newspaper. He talks about it. He talk ambassador victory over la Republic. Me go that one. He talk ambassador victory over la Republic. Diplomatic victory. You know what to say? It's a diplomatic victory over la Republic. And then I go to read the newspaper now. You will get the content now. Then you come. You don't go take one small newspaper because the newspaper be when I agent to the La Republic government. Then you capitalize on it. Go read the other newspaper. They tell you talk truth. Say ambassador diplomatic victory over la Republic. You go get that too. So me no cash no here. They talk say they talk about Akwanga name. According to him now, he no say they need to recognize Dr. Sako. Yes, now place where he drive you go. Say they need to recognize Dr. Sako because we don't talk say we know the follow. He show them. He say he get more views. He be nice man. He be the most watched. I watched his show yesterday. It was very disgraceful because you did talk the sweat. That means you know where in a way. You talk to the sweat. You shed the gum for your skin. When I watch the show, because me I not there for coach person because some people say you know be nice person, you know be this bad. I want to say you know be niceness, whole ambassador, not be intelligence. You know school, you whole ambassador. Yes, but when I don't tell you say next time, if you want come presentation for ambassador, me make sure say if you not say go sweat, me put in a way so that me no can the sweat he shed the gum for his skin. Yeah, because that one you need to give you an image. That one I need to talk you one I say are they against it, but I don't advise it for presentation. Me next time you know say if be my way get hit, when talk he hit. Me put in a way so that when talk if you want sweat in a way go take in the sweat. Me no come get disgrace ambassador because and he talk couple to you where he talk say he be the best journalist, he be the highest watch. So me no give you ambassador people the wrong image. Yes, me no make me the interpret we wrongly. Na tell Apple so say me no make me ambassador people interpret me the word interpret ambassador people wrongly because where they can call that name ambassador they want see a presentation. Yeah, so because so one day talk say now who this way can write under my box say when I claim for that English talk English no. I don't tell when I say this show no be English show. You and La Republic you go create fake profile. Now can fake profile the coach people. Nice man, ugly man, handsome man, and okay. But what way God make you for? You stand between you and your family. What way God make you for? You stand between you and your family. So when I create the profile them can coach, create the profile they can coach. You know if you coach me say I be ugly man, I'm not gonna rob Top J. I'm not gonna buy Top J and rob and say I want shine, I want this. If you coach me say this, the way God don't make them, you know if you change them. And the way God don't make you to, you know if you change them. So that's a sabotage. So another one coming and say na Edwin's S Frontier. I don't look that one laugh. When we claim Meme country, na person that become there. Now the first one that when they come for Meme country, when we claim Meme country, that we just start Meme county. Country now big language. Country be 5 francs, no. contribute 5 francs. And they come for meeting now people talk them. Now they be start this, and they be start this. We not care about revolution who be start. We not give revolution now who be start. That talk and that way about you, I can't use that will confuse we. We not be start who say na day now. We not be start, we not keep it for side. We not be start the revolution who say na day. That people language they say we not be start. That's how activists now say now they be the activists where they be starting revolution. We not be start and we keep our side now. We not be start, we not keep our side. We never reach boya. If we not be carry reach boya, we have to tell you that we not be start. We not start until they don't bribe on our road. We not show go down. They never again generation will rise up. We not start bring ideas now. We not be start. Johnny just come. This. We not stop down. Nothing them. We don't tell you say. Now you the holy revolution. From 45, calm down. From 45 years, calm down. Oh, he shot 50. From 50 years, calm down. Now the holy revolution. From 50 years, calm down. Because 50 years, man, see get that power away. If you hold Rengenge. If 50 years, man, get that power if you hold Rengenge. Now see, Mbanda years, all they say, they will get sick. All they say that people they say they will get sick when they feel yourself for God self, they get high blood. So, fellow comrades, now wait that way, and wait that way, I get where I bring that today for share for una today. Muna no say that Mbandam I audio. We been a quarrel between you and ma. I don't elaborate them. Now here we not see the ADF atrocities. We not see the ADF atrocity for Kruge. We don't see how the fighters don't show play. They bury fighters them. We don't see na condom them. We don't see na La Republic flag. It didn't bet. I don't actually believe La Republic flag. They know how ambassador flag, which means say the whole La Republic flag and ADF flag. So which means say that they pay their allegiance to Ayabacho because that flag, that Ayabacho is flag. That means say anything Ayabacho talk, they hear. That means say if Ayabacho decides to kill the whole Batibo, they will kill the whole Batibo because they need to follow the ambassador flag. They need to follow a group. So when I see them for yourself, when I see them very well, when I see draws them for girls them. In short, one of the girls they rape them, carry a draws them, draw them on how when I see all the atrocity for ADF. So now whenever I say I beg our pastors them. Pastor Victor. They are pray at the work. I want beg, so they are pray at the work. Me stand back, no relay effort. Yes. Then I will beg when I say, Paul in the camp in subsequent time around 6:30. Then we'll get an chop for 8:30. We'll try for watch the program. Then we'll know say we'll get our county by county is the way forward. And then we'll know say we'll get our individual level. As for some people in the way, you can take initiative. You create a group. Because I get people in the way, they don't know how to pay. I be create a group. Where we just only 10. So I tell you say that one, we know say all we belong to county by county. Any man pay his dues. But the one that just the initiative now for CID individual level. So we contribute some money, we don't send them. So if you use that initiative too for contribute for a small group, so that because some people in the way they don't want to use their bank account them, it is send money. Some people in the way they don't want to use their bank account, it is send money. Some people in the way they don't want for GAM. Some people, so you have to use that initiative for CID. Yeah, I want to say, I want into the way we know the interim government. The interim government all will put eye for the interim government. Any wrong way they do them. Now me and you will come there to say government won't do wrong. Government won't do this. So any man where they contribute CID, we not say we still get neck for that money. Oh, we not office. Me interim government office say that 10 euros so we get every month. We not get neck. We get neck for that money because the couple of months and years where I don't be for the country where they. Instead, now the interim government subsidize will get a program we want run them. Now the government ever come now, it will support because of it. Because we know say so small thing there for that coffers. Yes. So now so county now that's the structure and not say this structure the bill so now so our county is supposed to be. Now so the way country operate automatically we operate in a country because you get our resources, You take your money, you manage your money, then you give small for the government. And you get small on government, you still get net for that small way you get for government. When I see how brought away the government, because government be brought, you take an outside. Then you see when you get the problem now, you see cry for government. Government will give that small way we get now. Well, because you get plenty, now cut share now, he help you. Now so it operates. Now so it operates because as of now, the internet government don't assist. Any way they will county by county, LGA by LGA, they will testify. Government, the internet government, they ever come in. They ever come in during lockdown. They will come to catch it on thing. And then, now because of this one, individual level where would they get and so it make the government get a weight where it assist the other county. Would you talk now? Would say me they assist. Le power I call for Batigo. Government if you just just get money for the coffers. Now the money where na me are you the game. Now me are you the game. Now the money that the fit will help all that.